This is why people love and use this extension up to 60 times a day. It's an AI co-pilot that truly gets you. Imagine you'd have a digital version of yourself. You'd get around twice as much done. This is Zeno by TextCortex, the most customizable and integrated AI extension there is. You can collaborate with AI that speaks your voice, knows you and your business, filled with the freshest trends on the web, working anywhere at any time for you. With Zeno, we are giving you a super librarian that can read a 450-page document in mere seconds, so you can ask the specific questions about it. It is the support you were looking for to keep all your information and knowledge together. You can find new reports and papers with our interactive search experience. Imagine how much time you'd save in collecting the information you had in your head but you were missing the reference for. Zeno can replicate your communication style or align your whole team on a common vision as well. But that's not all. Zeno is there to help you respond to emails in 25 languages, craft narratives, write copy, structure your thinking, and make you an overall better communicator. Imagine a digital doppelganger having your back at any time, anywhere, but just better. So ask yourself, are you tired of out of context and generic AI responses? Simply have Zeno talk like you and adhere to your brand scripts with personas. Are you not famous enough to be known by the big AIs? Then create a knowledge base about yourself and your business to inform Zeno about why you are the best. Are you finding yourself constantly copy and pasting mega prompts from your notebook to the chat input? Then check out our dynamic templates to keep your process light and only change the input you really need to change. And in case you find it as annoying as me to find this tab under 1,000 different tabs, nothing to worry about anymore. This extension brings Zeno superpowers right where you need it in over 30,000 actively used integrations. So what's the features? Let me give you a quick rundown. First, there's the sidebar. This is the collaborative chat with Zeno you are looking for. Conversational and easy to solve any of your issues with as little as a message. Second, meet our toolbar. Select any text and have our most popular functions at the click of a finger. Rewriting, translation, tone changing, expansion. You can even let Zeno talk to you. Third, the inline assist function. This is your right inline coworker. You can instruct or choose any default or custom templates to create right where you are, context aware of what's on the page. You simply need to call the shortcut. Fourth, the quick AI reply function. And you probably know this feeling when you know the response to an email in less than 5 seconds, but you need to take 30 more minutes to formulate it. I know this. Our direct integrations into leading email platforms help you take in the context of the thread and respond to it with any of your persona or knowledge base directly enabled. And last but not least, the bubble. It's the gate to ZenoChat, but also lets you summarize a full page or instantly add it to your knowledge base for later reference with a simple click. In case you don't like one of the features, simply turn off any features in the settings which might annoy you. Remember, you can use Zeno for free, though you will be limited with daily recharging creations. We care about showing you value first, therefore all features are unlocked. I still recommend you that you are logging in to the extension. If you need more creations, check out our pricing. I made a similar video trying to give you guidance which plan might best help you, linked in this description. If you ever have a question, let us know either in the comments below or join our Discord community. Otherwise, happy creating with Zeno by TextCortex.